Hey you!
What?
Where you said?
Because of this.
This? This is simple, you know. Because Master Torda will help us all.
Really?
Yeah, do you know who she is?
Maybe.
Let me introduce you to Master Torda.
I am Master Torda.
Master Torda, the legendary of all physicists. She achieved these awards with the help of her parents.
You have problem with this? This is so simple. You are new. Oh, please help me, Master Tords. Okay. Ray tracing diagram of a convex mirror. And this is the properties of the image formed by this mirror. The location of the object can be anywhere, the type is virtual, and the orientation is erect, and the size is minified. Is that true? Are you joking me? No, I'm not joking. So, where we can find the uses and the examples of convex mirror? Please give me some proof. I will give you an example. Let's go. So, what's this? This is an example of a convex mirror. The image formed by this mirror is minified. This is a cab front rear view mirror. The panoramic view significantly reduced blind spot at the rear of the vehicle. The concept behind the convex mirror. Yes, thanks a lot, Master Tords.
Another case solved by the best Master Torda.
It's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back.